CIA Part 3 Study Guide 2023 has 483 study points with questioning mind and 212 true-false questions to help you pass the CIA Part 3 exam in first attempt in just 2 months. It is designed for working executives' smart learning. CIA Part 3 is known as the Business Knowledge for Internal Auditing and is the pillar of the Internal Auditing course. CIA candidates have to give at least 3 hours on daily basis and 6 hours on weekends for 2 months consecutively to pass the CIA exam from the Institute of the Internal Auditors US. CIA Part 3 Study Guide is an integrated printable PDF format optimized for all the screen sizes. You will be having the access as long as you wish to. There are no time and device restrictions. Furthermore, Zen support and guidance are complimentary until you pass the Certified Internal Auditor Exam. You can ask as many questions as you wish either through the WhatsApp or email, and I will answer to the best of my ability. Supplement your CIA Part 3 preparation by subscribing to the CIA Part 3 Exam Questions 2023, which contains the 1067 multiple choice questions with explanations of all answer choices. Zen Academy aims to create the best CIA exam prep course at affordable pricing. You will get 100% confidence, support, and a guaranteed 90% result. CIA Part 3 learning videos will be accessible from YouTube, giving you the confidence to retain the topics in your heart. You will save valuable time and money on subscribing to the premium access to videos and attending classes. Follow the Zen Academy's Facebook page for the latest updates, communications, and reviews. Subscribe to the Zen CIA Part 3 Study Guide 2023 from the link provided in the description and start the journey of professional excellence.